Well, the Adani Group of stocks continue to remain in focus. Now, firstly is our exclusive research that we have done on the mutual funds that have exposure to the 9 listed Adani Group companies. Now, what we have seen is nearly 20 mutual funds have invested in Adani Group companies, and the total market value of the investment as of December stood at close to 23,000 crore rupees. Now, the mutual funds that are most invested are in Adani Ports, where close to 7,200 crore of investment has been done by mutual funds. In Ambuja, there is an investment done of close to 6,300. Adani Enterprises has mutual funds investment worth nearly 4,900 crore rupees, while ACC has an investment worth nearly 3,400 crore rupees. Also, Adani Total Gas has mutual fund investment worth nearly 520 crore rupees. Now, mutual funds that have deployed the most in actual terms, first on the list is SBI Mutual Fund, which has deployed close to 5,800. Then there is Kotak Mutual Fund, ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund, Nippon India and UTI, which have invested anywhere in the range of around 1,800 crore to 2,300 crore rupees. However, as a percentage of their total equity AUM, if you see, Quant's exposure is the highest at around 8%, followed by Tata Mutual Fund, which has an exposure of close to 3%, while Motilal Oswal, Nippon India and SBI Mutual Fund have an exposure in the range of around 1.2 to 2.8%. Now, other than this, if you see, MSCI also came out with a notification where they are saying that they are not considering certain investors shareholding in Adani Group of companies as free float, and this will be reviewed and the implementations will be announced today in the quarterly review that they will be putting out post the market hours. Now, according to Nuvama, nearly the weight of 8 Adani Group companies is close to 5.75% on the index, while the total value of holding is close to $3.5 billion US. And if there is some reduction in weightage, then we could see some outflow of funds from these Adani Group companies. So do keep an eye out for the 8 Adani Group companies that are part of the MSCI index. Also, apart from this, Total Group, who's one of the investors in several Adani Group companies, now they own around 37.4% stake in Adani Total Gas. They own around 20% stake in Adani Green, and they also have 50% stake in few of its solar assets, and they also have a 50% stake in Dhamra LNG, which is one of the units of Adani Ports. Now, apart from these investments that Total Group has already done in Adani Group companies, they had also announced an investment of close to 25%, which they will be acquiring in Adani New Industries, which is a wholly owned subsidiary of Adani Enterprises. So what Total Group has to say about their existing investment? Well, they are saying that the investment in gas and renewable units of Adani Group are healthy and viable, and these companies have a good asset and have been generating a strong revenue flow since they have invested in these companies. And they also said that they had conducted due diligence not only before investing in these companies but also after investing in these Adani Group companies. And they have also mentioned that the value of their investment when it comes specifically to Adani Green has nearly doubled in value, while their value of investment in Adani Total Gas has increased by nearly 8 times. However, they have put on hold one of the investment that they had announced earlier, where they were looking to acquire nearly 25% stake in Adani New Industries. Now, this was related to the green hydrogen project, where Total Group was supposed to invest close to $4 billion US. However, this has been put on hold as the group is waiting for some clarity to come in on the allegations put on the Adani Group of companies by the Hindenburg research firm.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.